Hey guys, first off, a big thanks to all of you for helping me hit 1000 subscribers. It really inspired me to make more tutorial videos. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. Drag and drop video clip into the timeline. Now look for the perfect moment in the video to freeze the frame. This is the perfect spot. Now right click and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. Now you can see the video clip is frozen. I'm trimming this video clip like this. Right-click on the space and select Ripple Delete. Now I am pressing Alt key taking a duplicate of this clip. Disable the top layer. Now go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it into the clip. Go to Effect Control panel and set blurriness to 50. Now enable this layer. Now select this layer. Scale it to 60. Now go to the start of the clip and add a keyframe for rotation. Again, go to the end of the clip and change rotation value to -7. Now go to Project window and right-click. New item. Color matte. Click OK. I am changing the color to white. OK. Click OK. Move this clip to top layer. Now drag and drop the color matte to right below this layer. Select top clip and right-click. Copy. Select color matte layer and right-click. Paste attributes. OK. Select color matte and unmark uniform scale. I am changing height to 65 and width to 63. Now drag and drop camera frame PNG to the timeline. Select PNG clip and right-click. Paste attributes. OK. Change scale values. You can see that all three clips are animating equally now. Select this clip. Right-click. Unlink. I am deleting the audio. Now drag and drop camera flash audio clip to the timeline. I am placing the audio clip to the right spot. All right. Now select this below clip and mark repeat edge pixels. You can clearly see the difference. Go to Effects panel and search for black and white. Drag drop it into the clip. I am disabling these layers for now. Go to Lumetri Color panel. I am changing values like this. You can set values as you wish. Now enable these layers. Go to Effects panel and search for Dip to White. Drag and drop it between these two clips. Decrease the effect duration like this. Okay, now our animation is ready. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.